Here we would like to show how to insert a long leg into a stabilizer. First, you can actually lose these two screws as much as possible, but the nut still engaged with the screws, right? Such that the strap can have maximum hold. Then what you do is just insert this long leg into this strap, right, and use force. Let's see. And sometimes may need to do a hammer, but see, you can see that after this you can actually tighten these two screws afterward, right? So that's how we insert a long leg into a stabilizer. Thank you for watching.